Welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be the unboxing and the setting up of the Humi-care Turbo. It is an electronic humidifier device. I will be using it inside of my Cigar Humidor. It will be replacing the 2 to 3 stick-on humidifier devices that I'm currently using. By the way, those suck. So let's get to the unboxing. But before I get started, I just got to... I wasn't planning on doing an unboxing and setting up video of the Humi-care Turbo, but I decided, what the hell? So anyway, I had to take everything back out of the humidor. I put it back in the box. Nothing is in the cellophane that it was wrapped in inside the box. It was wrapped extremely well. I will say that. So now for the unboxing portion, there's really not much to unbox. There is a instruction manual, USB cable, the power ribbon, USB to AC adapter, water cartridge, and the actual Humi-care humidifier device itself, and 2 magnets. One would stick to the back of the unit and the other would stick to wherever you want inside your humidor, and then you could mount it on the top of the lid or the side or the back. I'm just going to be sitting mine inside the bottom of the humidor. There is one other piece I need to show you. I had to actually stick it to the back of my humidor. It is, let's see if I can get it here. Where is it? The USB cable would plug into here and then go into this box here. I mean this AC adapter here. And the ribbon would plug into the other side of here. I'll show you that in a second. Now to put the unit together, here's the Humi-care Turbo and the water cartridge. It comes pre-filled from the factory with distilled water. Now when this unit actually tells you that it's low on H2O, which takes about 6 to 8 weeks from what I read, you would actually submerge this in a bowl of distilled water for about 4 minutes, and then take it out, drip dry it for another minute, and just dry off the whole entire cartridge. But for now, it's already filled. So what we're going to do is just place it in here and snap it in, and that's it. And as for the ribbon, I have to do a close-up real quick, so here we go. Okay, so as you can see, there is a blue side and then the silver side. The silver side is the one with the contacts that will actually contact the pins on the inside of the unit and in the USB. And it's the same on both sides. So now in order to plug this in, the blue side needs to be facing down. So you're going to have the blue side facing down, and it's going to go right in here, and that's it. Okay, now it's time to put the Humi-care Turbo into my humidor. Let me get this thing turned around here. Alrighty. Okay, so let me go ahead and prop this humidor up a little bit, and hopefully I can get a good view of the inside. Okay, here's some of my cigars. So now what you're going to do is take the Humi-care Turbo, sit it in there, feed the power ribbon between the hinge. And that's it. Once you have the power ribbon fed through the hinges, you're going to connect it to the connector. Remember, I already mounted this to the back of my my humidor with double stick tape, so I couldn't take it off to show you the unit. But it's going to be the same thing, blue side down, silver side up. And all you do is you just push it right in here. I got to get behind the camera. That's it. Now for the other part, what you're going to do, you're going to take the other end of the USB. It's going to plug into the other side of this connector. Just like that. And just like any other USB, you're going to plug the other end into here. And that's it. And then of course this goes into the wall and powers it up. As you can hear, the fan is going. I'll walk you through the settings. you press the sun button once, shows you the temperature. Second time, shows the average humidity. A third time, shows you the low humidity. Fourth time, shows the highest humidity. And a fifth time would show you the percentage of the battery. Mine's at 99% because I already had it for like 3 days, so it should be fully charged. What you can also do is, if you wanted it to be at Celsius instead of Fahrenheit, you would hit the up and down key to change it. Well, I want to put it back at Fahrenheit. Now you can run this on battery backup if you want. I'm going to keep it plugged into the outlet at all times. But if you want to shut it off, the only way to shut it off is to unplug it. As you can see, I have the plug here and it's still running. Now if you scroll through the settings, you press the sun button. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Shows you that the power is on. You're going to hit one of the up buttons, or the down button. Goes to SLP sleep mode and power off. Hit the sun button again and it shuts right off. So now that it won't come on at all. Now in order to restart it, all you do is you plug it back in. It takes a few seconds. That means the C means that it's charging. Then it goes to 0. And there you go, it kicks back in. Now it's back on AC power. So in order to go to battery backup again, you just unplug it and that's it, and then it'll stay on. Okay, so I'm going to show you what the SLP mode is. That stands for sleep. So unplug it. It's on battery backup now. And once again, you hit the sun button 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Power on. Now that's sleep mode. You hit the sun button. Now that turns it off, and it's on battery mode. Now, so if you were to take this with you on a trip somewhere, and you're not going to use the battery, you're not going to use the power outlet, I mean, then all you do is you hold this down. Comes right back on. And then if you want to go back to the AC power outlet, just plug it back in. And it automatically switches to the outlet. And I'll show you, because the power off and on and sleep mode won't show up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it doesn't show up. Yeah, so this unit's going to be pretty cool, but I want to show you these ones. These are the little stick-on ones. Pain in the ass. They're shit. They don't do any good. So I'll be tossing those in the trash. I will show you a small sample of what I got from CI International. I got 30 cigars for about $39, so that's about, what, $1.30 each. I had about 3 to 5 already, and they were all phenomenal. I've had this unit for about 3 days now. It ran for a couple hours once I actually installed it, and then after that it would just come on for a couple seconds here, 5 seconds here. If I opened it up, it would come on within about 2 seconds, and then it would stay on until I closed it, and then I would hear the fan go out after a few seconds. So it doesn't run much, and it works flawlessly. So now for the sound test. Right now the Humidor is closed. It's open, closed, open, and closed. As you can tell, it's when it's closed, it's virtually no noise. You can hear it, don't get me wrong. And it's not like it's going to run 24/7. Nick already mentioned that when I first got it, it ran for a couple hours, and then after that it just on and off for a few seconds here and there. If I open it, it definitely comes on, and then once I close it after a few seconds, 10 seconds, it'll shut off. I've had this Humidor since 2012, and I love it. It's really nice, and I think it's 120 cigar max. I really can't remember. It's been so long. And once again, I've had it for 3 days, and my cigars are nice and soft. Open one up. See, as you can see, nice. Smells good. Well, to wrap up on another how-to video of Paul Henderson. Of course, this was the unboxing and the setting up of the Humi-care Turbo. I love this little unit. It's great. I got it from, of course, CI International, where I get all my cigars from since 2012. I've never had any problems with any of the cigars I've ever got from there, and everything that I've ever ordered I got on time as I was supposed to. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit like, don't like, hit subscribe if you like it. Let's see, what else is there? That's really about it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. That's it.